Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, August 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Long day ahead.
I know, same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meeting's always fun. Hey, did you sleep okay last night?
Yeah, not too bad. What about you?
I was up late watching TV. I'm a bit tired now.
I get that. Coffee will help us.
For sure, it's my best friend. Hey, did you hear about that new trade deal with South Korea?
Yeah, I saw something about it. Trump announced it, right?
Exactly. Just before the tariff deadline. I think it's good for us in sales.
How so? You think it changes much?
Well, lower tariffs mean cheaper stuff to sell, more deals for me.
True, it could help with costs. I wonder how it affects our projects.
Probably makes things smoother with suppliers. Less stress for you.
I hope so. We need less stress around here.
Don't we all? Anyway, more money in the pocket is always nice.
For sure. It's interesting to see how fast they made this deal.
Yeah, last minute stuff keeps us on our toes.
It does. Global trade is always a puzzle.
Totally. I mean, one day it's high prices, next day it's deals.
That's true. It's hard to plan sometimes.
Exactly. But hey, cheaper goods mean happy clients.
I agree. Happy clients are the goal.
Yep, and more sales for me. I might hit my target early.
That's great. Early targets mean less pressure.
For sure. I could use a break from the numbers.
I bet. Numbers can be tough.
They are. Hey, speaking of tough, did you see that new tech thing?
What tech thing? I'm curious.
There's this new app for tracking projects. It's for remote teams, I think.
Oh, really? That sounds useful for my work.
Yeah, I saw it online. It's supposed to make everything easier.
I need that. Managing remote teams is hard sometimes.
I bet. You're always on your computer fixing stuff?
Pretty much. Do you know if it's free?
Not sure, but I think there's a trial. You should check it out.
I will. Anything to save time is a win.
For sure. Tech is always saving us, right?
When it works, yes. Sometimes it's a headache.
True. Like when the printer breaks down.
Don't remind me. I spent an hour on that yesterday.
Poor you. I had to wait for it once for my laptop.
Oh, that's the worst. Did they fix it fast?
Yeah, after like 2 hours. I was so bored.
I know that feeling. Tech problems are no fun.
Nope. But this app might be different, I hope.
I hope so too. I'll download it after my meeting.
Good idea. Let me know if it's any good.
I will. Maybe it'll help with my deadlines.
Fingers crossed, deadlines are the worst.
They are, but we get through them.
Yeah, somehow. Hey, let's talk about something fun now.
Okay, what's on your mind?
Did you hear about that huge music festival coming up?
A music festival? Tell me more.
It's a big one. Tons of people are going. I saw it in the news.
That sounds cool. Where is it happening?
Not too far, actually. I'm thinking of getting tickets.
Nice idea. I love music festivals. They're so relaxing.
Yeah, just what we need after a busy week. Dance and forget work.
Haha, I agree. Who's playing there?
I'm not sure yet, but probably some big names. I'll look it up later.
Let me know. I might join you if I'm free.
Deal. It's always more fun with friends.
For sure. It's been a while since I went to a concert.
Same here. Work keeps us too busy.
It really does. I miss having more free time.
Tell me about it. I used to go out all the time.
Me too. Now it's just work and sleep.
Sad but true. But this festival could change that.
I hope so. A day of music sounds perfect.
It does. I'll check the ticket prices soon.
Good plan. Let me know if they're not too expensive.
Will do. Maybe we can split the cost or something?
That's a thought. I'm in if it works out.
Cool. I'll keep you posted on that.
Thanks. It's nice to have something to look forward to.
Totally. Work can't be everything, right?
Right, we need balance in life.
Yep. Hey, speaking of work, how's your project going?
It's okay, just a lot to do. What about your sales?
Not bad. Got a few calls lined up. Always chasing clients.
I know that feeling. Keep it up.
Thanks, you too. Hey, let's talk more about that trade deal later.
Sure, I'd like to know more. Maybe at lunch?
Sounds good. I'll have some numbers to share.
Perfect. I'll think about how it fits our projects.
Cool. I think it could open new doors for us.
Maybe. I'm curious about the long-term impact.
Me too. We'll figure it out together.
We will. Teamwork is the way to go.
For sure. And don't forget to check that app.
I won't. I'm excited to try it.
Good call. Tech can really change the game.
It can. I just hope it's easy to use.
Fingers crossed. If not, I'm no help with tech.
Haha, I'll figure it out. I always do.
That's why you're the project manager. You fix everything.
I try. It's part of the job.
Well, you're good at it. Keep it up.
Thanks, David. You're not bad at sales either.
I try. Gotta keep the clients happy.
That's the goal. Happy clients, happy us.
Exactly. Hey, back to that festival for a sec.
Yeah, what about it?
I'm serious about going, you in or not.
I'm thinking about it. I'll let you know soon.
Cool, no pressure. Just thought it'd be fun.
It would be. I'll check my schedule.
All right, do that. We deserve a break.
We do. Work hard, play hard, right?
That's my motto. Let's make it happen.
Okay, I'm in if I can.
Awesome. I'll save a spot for you.
Thanks. It's nice to plan something fun.
For sure. Keeps us sane in this office.
Haha, true. Work can be crazy.
Tell me about it. But we got this.
We do. Teamwork makes it better.
Yep. Hey, how's your team doing these days?
They're good, just busy. What about your sales team?
Same, always running around. We're a busy bunch.
That's the office life. Never a dull moment.
Nope. But coffee breaks help.
They do. This is my favorite time.
Mine too. Just a quick chat and I'm ready.
Same here. It's a nice reset.
Totally. Hey, I think my coffee's gone already.
Mine too. Time flies when we chat.
It does. Gotta get back to my desk now.
Same here. See you at lunch?
You bet. Have a good morning.
You too, David. Catch you later.
See ya. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, you too. Take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.